My name is Mduduzi Masilela.
And my name is James Tole.
I believe chess is a sport because it's also competitive. It just needs a bit of brain power instead of physical power.
Yeah, I also believe that chess is a sport because it engages the mind, the soul, and it teaches you concentration, can really help you in life.
I started playing chess, I was 12 years old.
Well, I began to play chess when I was in grade 11, so I was 17 years old, and I really fell in love with it. I never stopped from there.
The benefits of playing chess are it unlocks your mind, it teaches you better concentration. Not only in chess, but then you learn to concentrate on your studies, on other things that you put your mind to.
When you play competitively, it allows you to travel, you meet new opponents, you meet new cultures, you engage with new people. And yeah, it's just general fun, unlocks all parts of your brain, and it's super fun.
How can I engage the youth? To actually advertise chess, not only keep it locked up, because most chess game events are advertised to specific types of people and specific schools, not around. So I would go everywhere and anywhere I could, like tell kids the benefits of playing chess and show them that what can they gain in playing chess. Chess is not for nerds. Play chess, stay cool.